Okay guys, this is the computer and Shriniket is going to be unboxing it. Let's get started. He's going to open the cover. Video continue. Okay, we have opened it and now he's going to be opening it. Whoa! Wow! It is one of the best computers I've seen. You can see Republics of Gamers written. The box is an amazing black color. Okay, now we're going to open the computer. Oh, wow. We're going to talk about the computer later. Now let's see the accessory. Okay, so we have one box and I don't think there's anything else after that. Yes, we have one box. Okay, so we're going to open the box. Okay, so in the box we have a manual with the Asus logo on it. And we have another manual for the PC. And we have a warranty card. It's gonna fit. In the second box we get a charger. The original charger of Asus. And we get a plug. And that is the only box, I suppose. Oh, there's another box. Is there? Yes, it has a box with nothing. We were tricked. Now the computer. Start. Okay, so we're going to be opening the computer. Okay, so we're going to be pulling the cover. Slowly. This computer has an GTX 1660 Ti.
Now to tell all the features.
This has a 16 GB RAM.
It has a 512 GB SSD and Ryzen 7 3rd generation processor.
And this is the front of the computer. It has a black logo and has a cool little slicing design. And this is the back of the computer. It has Republic of Gamers engraved on the back and has a port for the air to leave. And now we're going to officially start the laptop. The computer has a nice cover so that it protects the down of the computer.
Show this ROG there.
And this is the computer's gigahertz. And this is the keyboard with the official ROG font with the GeForce GTX, NVIDIA and Ryzen 7 card. Now is the startup. It's mostly a long press. And sadly there's no charge in this thing. That is not good as mostly the computers have 50% charge. So now we're going to charge it and let's see the after result. Okay, we have started the computer. Wow. The computer lights are on. It's charging. The symbol is arrived. It's loading. Yes. This is one of the greatest computers of the century. And the keyboard's lit. The Windows screen has arrived. It's a Windows computer. Okay, it's taking some moment. It's asking for a language.
So thank you guys for watching the video, and then please subscribe and like our videos and share it, and be safe.